Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a closed panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you accidentally closed your timeline, effects project panel, or any other window, don't worry, getting it back is really easy. Let's say you're editing and you accidentally close a panel, like the timeline or the effects panel. Suddenly it's gone, and you're not sure how to bring it back. So all you have to do is go to the top menu and click on Window. Once you're in the Window menu, you'll see a full list of all the panels available in Premiere Pro. Just scroll through and click the name of the panel you want to bring back. For example, if you closed the timeline panel, click Timeline. If you close the project panel, click Project. As soon as you click it, Premiere will reopen that panel, and it will appear either docked where it was originally or floating on its own. You can then drag it back into place if you want to dock it in a specific spot. If you've closed multiple panels or the layout just feels messed up, there's a simple way to reset everything. Just go to the top right of the screen and click on the Workspace drop-down, choose the workspace you're currently using, then click Reset to saved layout. This will reset the entire Premiere layout back to its original setup and bring back any missing panels, and that's it. Whether you close just one panel or your whole layout feels off, you now know how to fix it quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.